If you dream of running a full-time freelance business, here's where to start. The Starter Kit is perfect for any new or aspiring freelancers. I bet you're highly skilled in the service that you offer, but knowing how to organize your business, make sales, run marketing campaigns, manage your finances, this could all be new. My name's Laura Bean and I have been freelancing for over a decade. I've taken everything I've used to run and grow my freelance business and put it into one easy to use document, the Freelancer Starter Kit. Now in here, you'll find everything you need to build your business, from planning and goal setting all the way through to managing your finances. It's going to help you create and build new products and services and help you with those all important sales journeys from getting prospects to clients. You'll have everything you need in one place to give you the steady foundations for your freelance business. What's more, I've created tutorials to help you with each section of the Starter Kit. So not only will you have the tools, you'll have the knowledge of knowing how to use them. I've spent years learning and growing how to run my own creative little world, and I would love to help you build yours. I'm so confident the Starter Kit is going to help you that I offer a 7-day money-back guarantee. So if it's not what you expected, then I'll be happy to refund your money. I love freelancing and I'm passionate about helping others build their freelance business. So let's get you started.